Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Room Wizard on Floorplanner. I did a video on this 2 weeks ago, and I realized that I didn't explain Room Wizard that much well because the walls weren't high enough for the furniture to be placed. So I'll explain it again in this video. So go to floorplanner.com and click on your profile picture here. I'm using the basic version, so you can do this on the basic version. Click on Create Project. There are two ways to use Room Wizard. One is Room Wizard and the other is Magic Layout. We'll first go over Room Wizard. So name your name. So I'll call mine Room Wizard. Room Wizard. Okay, now create project. Okay, so now click Room Wizard. Click the room you want. I want mine to just be like a room like this. This room. So the three options here are to rotate your room. Here's just simply rotating it, but this is to mirror it horizontally on this way, on the x-axis, on the y-axis, to mirror it on the y-axis, and just to mirror it on the x-axis. So I want it to be like this, so I'll keep it like this. Wait, like, yeah, this is good. Click next. Okay, I'll just keep it like this and move the door to this side when we're done. So click next. Now you click room dimensions. You can change how long you want each room to be, like each wall height. I'll just keep it like this and at feet, and this is good. Now click next. Click which room you want this to be. I'll just make this the living room. Click next. Now click one of the styles you want. So it'll automatically put furniture in for you. Oh, I like the contrast style the best, so do that. Okay, click next. I click Magic Layout, and it should automatically. And you can keep on clicking it until you like the layout. Okay, I like those videos. Now let's check this out in 3D. As you can see, it put the furniture in without having to do anything. So this is why I like Room Wizard. It makes it way easier for designing the interior of houses. So that's one way to use Room Wizard. But in this way, the thing I don't like about this way is that you have to choose one of the already made shapes of the wall. So now I will teach you how to use Room Wizard without having to use one of the already made shapes, and you can make your own shape. So as you can see, they added this furniture, and it's okay. You can edit it anytime, move it and delete it, and you can add any furniture too. So now let me show you how to make any room you want. So you click draw wall. The draw room will only let you make a rectangular one. Draw wall and make it as big and as any shape you want the room. So either drag it. Keep on dragging. And after you drag it once, you don't have to drag it. You just have to move it. A mouse is ideal for this. So using a mouse will make it easier. So make it any shape you want. Any shape. Okay, so this is a shape. See, it made a room automatically. Now name the room type. We'll make this the kids' room. Now we can click Magic Layout to give it anything. to put furniture in it instead of using any of the pre-made shapes. You can change it to any style you want. I like the contrast style because I use it for the other room. So let's check that out. Let's go over to the other room. See, as you can see, this is a really cool room. And if you still need help with Floorplanner and this is the first video on Floorplanner you've watched, I highly recommend my first video on the introduction to Floorplanner, which I'll put in the description below and in the top right corner. So that's how to use Room Wizard. I hope you like this tool and it was helpful, and bye bye.